What's up, y'all? In today's video, I am finally trying out Polygel nails for the first time. In this video, you'll see me make a lot of mistakes, and I show you guys so y'all know how not to make the same mistakes when you try it out. So if you want to see me try out Polygel nails, just keep on watching.
Go ahead, Daddy.
It's a Queen's thing, baby.
I'm in the lounge with you.
Rock on.
We be doing it well.
I went on Amazon.com and typed in Polygel nail. All these kits popped up. I went with the one that had the most reviews and the most positive reviews. So that was Makartt. It was $44.99. This is what it looks like when you receive it. This is what the box looks like. And here is the inside. I'm going to go ahead and remove the nail file underneath the dual forms because you can't see it. So you get a base coat, which you put on first. It helps the polygel adhere to the nail. And then you get a top coat. It comes with 6 different colors of polygel. And it also comes with a brush, which is this black thing. And then it comes with the dual nail forms, which is optional. You don't have to use it. So here's the brush open. One side is a brush and the other is a scalpel. And then here are the directions. So I prepped my nails first, which I didn't do a lot of on camera. And then just to warn you, this is not a tutorial because I made a lot of mistakes. I'm just showing you all the mistakes I made. So here's the base coat, which helps the polygel adhere to the nail. So you put that on each nail. I know some professionals use a dehydrator as well, but I didn't have one. So once you get the base coat on, the directions tell you to sit under a UV or LED light. Here are the dual nail forms. You get 60 and 13 sizes. You want to make sure you choose the correct size for your nail. So most kits come with slip solution. For some reason, this one did not. The direction says you can use alcohol instead. So that is what this is. So what you do is you dip the brush into the slip solution. It helps you form the polygel. So my problem right here is I don't know how much slip solution to use, and also I'm not using enough polygel. So it takes a lot of practice to know how much polygel to put in these forms. After you practice for a while, you kind of know how much polygel to use. And I'm thinking I'm using too much slip solution because it's really sticky. This is really messy if you use too much alcohol or slip solution. So here I'm putting on the nail form, and I pressed way too hard because there's air bubbles, and it's hard to keep the nail form on without it popping off. I went online and I see you can buy these nail clips that help you keep it on, because unless you use 2 fingers, the nail form keeps popping off or sliding off. So I'm using my other finger to hold the nail form down, which can get in the way when it's time to put it under the LED light, because you do have to cure these. Now it's time for me to pop off the nail form, which is very easy to pop off. And I love this method because look how smooth the nail is. You don't have to buff or foul it. You can just go right in here and put on your top coat or nail polish, whatever. But here I have air bubbles. The air bubbles came because I was pushing too hard on the nail form. And then also underneath the nail, because I didn't form it well with the brush, it's uneven and it's real thin. It's just a hot mess. So I decided to take these 2 off, try using the dual nail forms with a nail tip. That way I won't have to worry about underneath the nail coming out okay. And then on top I don't have to worry because it's already smooth. So here I'm going to try with the nail tips, and I got a way better result. And I still was pressing too hard on the nail forms, so I had air bubbles, but the nails just look way better with the nail tips added. I'm remeasuring the nail form to make sure it fits with the nail tip on now, and then I'm going to pack it with the Polygel and smooth that out. And I'm using way more Polygel. I ordered me some nail clips in the mail. It's going to be so much easier to hold these nail forms on once I receive them. So after this, I'm going to, of course, cure it for about 2 minutes. So this is the result of me using the nail tip. As you can see, I don't have to worry about underneath being smooth because the nail tip is there and it's already smooth. And on the top is smooth because of the dual nail form. Now, the only thing is I put too much Polygel, so now it's longer than my actual nail tips. So what I'm going to do is just go ahead and file my nails into shape because I like them in a coffin shape, and then I'm also going to file off the extra Polygel. The Polygel is very hard. It's almost hard like acrylic, so there is going to be a lot of filing. So the last step is to go in with the top coat to top it off. You can either stop right here or add a different gel polish or nail polish. I actually stopped right here, and later on I add a different color, but I wanted you guys to see what the top coat looked like with these nails. Here is the end results. I absolutely love them. I did learn a lot to make it easier next time and make them look better without the air bubbles, but I love this method. They're very smooth, they're very strong like acrylic, and it's really easy to do once you practice a couple of times. So that is the end of this video. I want to thank you guys for watching. Please leave me a like, a comment, also subscribe. I will see y'all in my next video. Bye.
Go ahead, Daddy.
It's a Queens thing, baby.
I wanna dance with you.